What's the meaning of changeling? Changeling. Changeling.
Changeling. Changeling. A changeling is a creature from folklore that is believed to be a human child that has been secretly substituted with a fairy or other supernatural being. The term is commonly used to describe a child who seems different from their siblings or parents, often in appearance or behavior. In modern usage, the term can also refer to a person who undergoes a significant and unexpected transformation in personality or identity. Overall, changeling connotes a sense of mystery, strangeness, and unpredictability.